it across from next query from Lavanya from Lagos, Nigeria. She wants to understand the short to medium term outlook for HAL and Cochin Shipyard. She bought it at a price of 4,800 and 2,200. Asta, I want to understand from you, what's your outlook on defense? Do the valuations continue to hold despite the stock run up that we've seen in these two counters?
So I think these two counters will definitely going to hold the high valuation going ahead also, because defense is such a sector which is really catch the traction on the streets, and we are expecting some strong deals to come up going ahead also. So both these are to be considered to be the prime beneficiary in the defense space, and we are positive on this counter. The only problem is that right now, since the valuations are high, so maybe some sort of correction is due. So it's a better to buy not at the present moment of a time. Let these two stocks fall more and then make an entry. Although the valuation will not be that cheap that we can say for the other counters, but for these two counters, let them come to some sort of decent valuation and then make entry. So both these counters are buying on dips from our side. So we are recommending buying on dips on both these counters. So not at the present moment of time.
Okay, Asa, one more query on these shipbuilding stock, which is Garden Reach Shipbuilders. Vinod Kalani from Mumbai is asking that he's holding roughly 500 shares at 770 a piece, and roughly he's sitting on a profit of 5 lakh rupees. So he wants a long-term perspective for this stock as well.
So for this stock, the long-term perspective is positive from our side. We are maintaining a buy on this counter as well. But buying on dip strategy again can be implied on this counter. So maybe at 1700, one can make a buy. But for those who have this stock in their holding, they can continue with the initial price target of around 2000 odd levels. What we have seen that the numbers in the Q1 of FY25 were not that very supportive for all these shipbuilding companies, especially. But going ahead, also the kind of traction they are seeing in their order booking, I think that will really help these companies to show a strong financial performance along with the industry tailwind, which will always keep them in a sweet spot. So I think positive. We are positive on both the counter. The only problem is that right now they are high on the valuation. So let the stock fall more and then make entry into the counter. Otherwise, those who have in the holding continue with this with the price target of around 2000.